happy birthday. Sana magustuhan mo yung munti kong prepare for you. Yun. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, si Jing po is a friend of mine. You know? Nagkakilala kami dahil sa UpLive. Nagkaroon ako ng tinatawag na Heart Love Angels. So, 8 sa kanila, siya na lang ang kasama ko. And I'm very thankful about that. Napaka-reliable tong kaibigan kong to. Sobrang buti, napakabait na kaibigan, maaasahan. Alam mo yun, yung sobrang bait niya po talaga. Sobra. And marami na kaming pinagdaanan, dami na siyang na-witness sa akin. Ang dami ng mga drama na narinig niya galing sa akin. Thank you for always there for me. Thank you sa pag-listen ng mga problem ko. Thank you. Basta thank you for everything. And so, sa pagkakakilala ko kay Jing, ayaw niyang kumanta. Baby, it's very rare talaga na mapapakanta niyo yan siya. Pero, meron akong nahukay sa gallery ko na na-record ko yung boses niya habang mag-isa siya dun sa audio live. Ito oh. If we had an exchange of hearts and you know what I fell apart, you feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of hearts. Diba? Diba? Singer's yarn. Pero ang hilig niya ay ang kumain. Pareho kami, kaya nagkakasundo kami yan. Tingnan niyo to. O, diba? Sumisimple pang pagkumain. Yan. Okay lang yun, Jing. Nakaka-relate ako sa'yo. Anyway, ayun na. Hindi na natin patagalin. Panoorin mo yung mga susunod. Sana magustuhan mo. Thank you so much for everything, my friend. I wish you all the success in life. Good health. Sana tuloy-tuloy pa yung blessings mo. And nandito lang ako for you, my friend. Thank you for everything. Love you. Mwah.
Che non scorderai, l'orgoglio ed il coraggio, lei come un tesoro, l'oro dentro gli occhi suoi, lei l'estate che ricanterai, il giorno che ricorderai, le 1000 cose che non sai e può insegnarti solo lei. Perché il centro del tuo vivere, la luce di un mattino che non perderai, lei lo specchio dove tornerai, dove ti riconoscerai, semplicemente come sei, uguale a lei. Che ricanterai, il giorno che ricorderai, le 1000 cose sognarti solo lei.
Hi Jean! Happy birthday! I'm wishing you all the best and thank you for the friendship for almost, ilan na ba? 5 years ba? Or 4 years. Basta, ayun. Thank you, Jean. And salamat sa lahat. We love you always and I hope you enjoy your day. And sobrang miss ko na kayo, angels. Bye-bye!
Hi Ate Jean, happy birthday. Una sa lahat, I am really thankful dahil nakilala ko kayo and ikaw of course naging part ka din ng journey ko lalo na sa streaming and I can say na talaga namang super nice mo and ang bait mong tao. Happy ako dahil nakahanap ng one true friend in his heart and actually parang magkapatid na kayo. So I am praying and hoping na maging okay kayo and lalo na ikaw always. Namiss ko na kayo. Sana makawan ko kayo ulit soon. Happy birthday, Ate Jean. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ate Jean, happy birthday and wish you all the best. And also, tanahatagan pa ka ni Papa God of a lot of blessings and more years pa para ma-enjoy mo yung life together with your family and that will be all. Enjoy your birthday, Ate Jean. Love you.
Hello, Ate Jean. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ni buntit tayo is a good health and to your family. Tuloy mo lang kung ano yung gusto mo sa buhay. Miss na miss ko na kay Nati Heart and the Heart Angels. Yun lang. Love you, Ate Jean.
Hi Mama Jean. Birthday mo na. 18th birthday mo na pala. Correction lang. Charot na. Mama Jean, ito lang masasabi ko. Thank you for everything mula umpisa till now. Thank you sa pag-support sa amin. And ate, alam kong bibless ka lagi nila kasi sobrang bait mo. And continue to pray lang para lahat ng desire ng puso mo maibigay mo. Thank you for everything na maging PM na lang. First time kong gumawa ng ganito.
Hi, beautiful birthday girl, Jing. Thank you for the friendship. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come, more candles to blow, and may all your wishes come true. Thank you so much and enjoy your day. More big wins.
Happy birthday, Jing. Enjoy your day at sana lahat ng wish mo. Happy birthday.
Hi Jing, happy birthday. I wish you all the joy, success, and happiness that you deserve on your birthday and always. Happy birthday. Stay humble, stay beautiful, don't change. I wish you all the best, good health, and God bless you. And I see you soon. Enjoy your birthday. Stay young, okay? And this is my song for you.
Happy birthday, ang bati ko, ang bati namin sa iyo, nawa ay lumigaya ka at abutin mo pa sana ang maraming
Alright, peace out. Happy birthday again.
Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan.
Alright, peace out.
Mabuhay ka.
Hello, Beshiwap. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Sana i-bless ka pa ni Lord at sana humaba pa ang iyong buhay and stay safe always. Happy birthday again, Beshiwak. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Jing. More birthdays to come and good health. Alam ko naman, good health ka kasi taba-ching-ching ka. Happy birthday sa'yo. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Jing, happy birthday, my number 2. Wow, this means I've known you almost 2 years now. What a blessing. I want to thank you for being such a loving, wonderful, and loyal friend. You know, these qualities are rare today, but you exhibit them flawlessly. So that's why I'm honored to be called your friend, and equally honored to be able to greet you and celebrate this occasion. I want to say happy birthday, my beautiful friend, and may God continue to bless you and keep you safe, and may His grace shine upon you, and may He give you peace. Enjoy your day, baby girl.
Hello, Tita Jing. Happy birthday. We love you. Regards. Keep safe and seek first God, and all these things will be added unto you. Bye-bye. Say, Shortang, yan, shortang. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Jane. May the Lord grant the desire of your heart. Stay healthy and happy. God bless.